Can I sell a course without being a certain expert in a specific area? Today we're going to break down the truth on whether do you need to be some sort of authority figure or have certain expertise in an area in order to successfully launch and sell the course of your dreams. Hi, I'm Sas from Uteach, and we make videos here all about course creation, digital entrepreneurship, e-learning, so much and so more. So if you're interested in that kind of content, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so you could be notified of all incoming helpful and awesome videos. And without further ado, let's break down that myth. Have you ever wanted to sell a course but kind of feared whether you would be able to do it successfully or not because you didn't really consider yourself an authority figure? Let's talk about it, okay? No need to panic. Let's talk about a few legitimate reasons on how exactly you can create and sell a course without being an expert in a certain field. You don't need to be a world-renowned expert in the course that you are trying to teach. The secret sauce, or the magic that I like to say, is simply being just a few steps ahead of your ideal clients and students who want to learn from you. Here are a few helpful things that you can consider. Think about transformations or changes that you have created for yourself. This can also be transformations that you have created for others. Where is your expertise? Just think about it. What are you really good at? Have you ever considered thinking about that? Like, for instance, me, I'm really good at, like beauty rituals and maybe hair care and skincare. I've lost weight in the past, so these are some things that I kind of see myself as an authority figure because I myself have experienced the transformations. What does your audience ask you about the most? And of course, my favorite is you can surely ask them what they would want to learn from you. Yes, you heard that right. Go ahead and ask them what they would want to learn from you. This could be transformations that you've made for yourself, and it seems like everybody is constantly asking you how exactly you did it for yourself or for others. Have you ever improved someone's life or just helped them transform and better their life quality, for instance? Whatever regards figuring out what your expertise is, this means you need to figure out what you're really good at. If there is a certain question that your audience constantly asks you over and over again, think of it this way. You can actually create a course around that one specific question and successfully sell and launch it to them. This will surely give them the solutions to a lot of their problems. So going back to the part where I said that you can ask your audience what they would like to learn from you, you can ask your friends, your online community, you can even monitor comments that many people ask in certain videos that are related to the niche that you are trying to become an authority figure in. If you do have a following that admires you, they are most likely to immediately buy from you as soon as you drop the bomb, as I like to say, which means creating a course about that one question that they constantly have. For instance, years ago, like I mentioned, I lost around 70 pounds in 4 months. And if I was a content creator back then, because this was a really long time ago, I could have easily created a course and taught people what I did step by step. And even some of my friends were actually willing to pay me. I'm not joking, this actually really happened. A few great examples that I would actually like to give you are, for instance, teach people how exactly you grew a TikTok following of over 50,000 people. Explain to them what are the steps that you took and how they can replicate that in order to grow a successful TikTok or Instagram page following as well. How you got out of debt in 6 months and became financially free. That's something that many people would love to learn about. What steps you took to lose 100 pounds in over 7 months. How are you traveling the world on a budget and experiencing all of life's greatest pleasures? Or you can even teach them how to create aesthetic photos just by simply using their phone. And like I mentioned a few minutes ago, all you need to do is just be a few steps ahead of the game and have experience around that one thing and know that for sure that people would actually want to learn from you. And voila, you guys, it's really not that hard. Most people seem to label course creating as some kind of field where you have to be either the president or have 10 and 20 years of experience in, but it really doesn't work like that nowadays anymore. Any area that you have expertise and experience in can surely be turned into a low or high ticket cost course. Many people create full-on academies, and some people just conduct webinars or have a very short course, like maybe 2 or 3 modules. So our question for you today is, do you feel like you need to be an expert in a certain area in order to be a course creator? Please let us know in the comments down below, and we would love to chat with you about it. We will pin the comment down below, so make sure you check that out. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, show us some love, and to the algorithm, of course. And if you're interested in course creation, make sure you check out our website, www.uteach.io, which can easily be found in the info box down below. I'm Sauce from Uteach, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.